Parsha, boy, something very nice from the Rebbe's father, Rabbi Yitzchok Zatzal. In the end of this week's Parsha, we have the beautiful mitzvah of tefillin. There is a very interesting Zohar in Chele Gimel, Daf Reish Samach Aleph, Omar Aleph, and the Zohar says these words, that it's recognized by Yidden that they are the children of Hashem. How? And that's through mitzvahs tefillin. So the Zohar says, when you put on tefillin, we see that from the tefillin sharosh, you have tefillin sharosh and tefillin shayat. The tefillin sharosh, it's Hashem is the relationship of a Jew and Hashem is expressed, and he says like this: bebotei tefillin, in the boxes of the tefillin, or the compartments of the tefillin, better. Bishmo de Mareya, the name of Hashem, as if by the tefillin sharosh we have over there the name of Hashem. And he says he uses the compartments of the tefillin. And then he says, when it comes to tefillin shayad, it's recognized and it's expressed b'rtzuah de kedusha, with the holy straps. Comes Rabbi Yitzchok and he is medayik over here. He asks a few questions. Every word in Zohar is so exact. When it comes to tefillin sharosh, he uses the word bebotei, in the compartments. Why didn't he say with the Parshas? Why is he called the bottom of the tefillin? There's only one bias. And also, what's the meaning, the name of Hashem? And also by the hand, what's the meaning of the straps? And also he says plural, the straps of the hand. There's only one strap, we tie it around the hand. Explains Rabbi Yitzchok each detail so beautiful. First of all, he says, if you want to show the difference between tefillin sharosh and tefillin shayad, so in the Parshas there's no difference. They both have all four Parshiyos that we write in the tefillin. The chidush, or the novelty of the tefillin sharosh, is that we have four compartments. In the shayad, all the four Parshas are written on one long piece of parchment. But in the head, we divide it in four compartments, and that's the sharosh. So that's why the Zohar emphasizes in the sharosh, we have the bottom, the compartments. But here comes the main thing. Bishmo de Moreyon, the name of Hashem. Where do we see the name of Hashem from in the tefillin sharosh? Explains Rabbi Yitzchok that the Zohar over here is referring to a Gemara that we have in Menachos of Lamed Hey Amud Beis. The Gemara says, Apostle in Parshas Kisovoi, V'ro kolame haaretz ki shem Hashem nikra lecha. All the nations of the world will see that the name of Hashem is upon you. And Rabbi Lezer HaGodol said, you know what the pasuk is referring to? Tefillin sharosh. Comes the Arizal and explains in Pri Eitz Chaim, and he says that this is going to answer us why we have the letter Shin carved into the box of the sharosh on both sides. And he says if you take the letter Shin, and the way you verbalize it, you'll have three letters. Shin, Yud, Nun. Shin. Shin, Yud, Nun is a Rosh Tevis, an acronym. Shem, Hashem, Nikra. Shem for the Shin. David's name is Yud Kevovke, starts with a Yud. And Nikra is Nun, Shin. And this is hinting to the Gemara. The Gemara says that through the Tefillin sharosh, the name of Hashem, Shem, Hashem, Nikra, the Shin, is upon you. The world sees that there is a special relationship of a Yidden and Hashem through the tefillin. It says Shema Yisrael, Hashem HaKadosh Echad, etc. And through that, it's recognized the special bond of the Yidden and the Eibishter. So that answers the question of the diuk, both the compartments and also where do we see the name of Hashem? With the Shin, Shem Hashem Nikra Alecha, Elu Tefillin Shabarosh, this is the Tefillin Sharosh. Concerning the hand, she says there is a very interesting, also the Arizal explains, that the ritzuis, the straps on the hand, is different than the straps by the head on tefillin sharosh, and that is that the kesher, the knot that you have on your hand, is part of the actual box itself. It must be touching it and close and tying it. That the knot should be constantly pressing or touching adjacent to connected to the box. And the reason why the Zohar says, Ritzuos, this is a beautiful thing in Avodas Hashem. we only have one strap in the tefillin shayat. Why does the Zohar say that our relationship to Hashem is also known through the straps, Lashon Rabim, of the hand? And he says so beautiful that also the Arizal explains that the tefillin of the head symbolizes our understanding of Hashem, like the Rebbe says in Tanya Perek Mem Aleph. But from our understanding, Hashem wants, first you have Shema, understand Hashem, and then comes V'yahavto, you have to love Hashem, you have to bring down what you understand from your seichel into the midos, into the feelings of the heart. And the midos come to two parts. That's the two ritzuos, the two straps that come down on both sides for the tefillin shorosh. And one is, the right side shows that my connection to the positive mitzvahs, the chesed, the kindness, and then also gevura, the left side, which is for the 365 prohibitive mitzvahs. But all that, the two straps, explains the result, from that come down, connect to the strap that's on your hand, because the whole idea is you're feeling in your heart, it should bring to Maisa HaMitzvahs. And that's what the hand symbolizes, action. The head symbolizes the understanding, and from the understanding comes down the feeling, and from the feeling, it has to affect the action, and that's the binding of the hand. So the Zohar is hinting over here that with the straps of the hand is also connected to the straps of the head, and it's one's affect the other. So when it comes down, lower part of your chest, the heart, the whole idea is that those straps should connect to the strap of the hand, and that's why the Zohar calls it ritzuei, the straps that are connected to the hand, because the straps of the shorosh is also connected. It has to have its effect, all them together, the straps, and that's when the Yid does Torah mitzvahs, when we have the bonding of the shorosh and the shayat. And this is what the Zohar says, that through the mitzvahs of tefillin, it expresses the special bond of a Yid with the Eibishter.